Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So we've come to the Apple store to check out the iPhone 14 Pro. I'm really looking forward to holding an iPhone after a very long time. Those of you who watch my videos will know that I've been an Android user for a very long time and I love my Z Folds. So I wonder how I would feel about an iPhone and how it would compete with my Z Fold 4.
We're gonna go with 128 gig, yeah?
Today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple iPhone 14 Pro. This is the first time I'll be unboxing an iPhone and reviewing it soon. The last time I had an iPhone was very long time ago. This is the iPhone 4 which I've had about 13 years ago, and after that I started using Android and never bought an iPhone again. And this is the first time I've got this one. It's not for me, it's for my daughter because she really wanted one. So I'm going to unbox this and review it as well. So first impression, it's a beautiful box. I must say the presentation is excellent. It's got this 3D feel on the box. The iPhone itself, you can feel it. The phone itself is deep purple. The purple frame around the phone, you can see even on the box, you can see the shiny purple. So I'm quite impressed with that. So as it's my daughter's phone, I'm gonna let her open it up and check it for herself for the first time. So inside we have, should we just check this first, what we have in the box before we show the phone? So inside we have SIM ejector and information instruction, yeah. Put this back, and then we have a charging lid here, USB-C to lightning cable. So there is no charging brick in the box, so that's something that's separate, we'll have to buy, but we do have one from our iPad, so we can use that. So you can look at the phone now. So here's the iPhone 14 Pro. I must say it feels good. Very solid phone. So on the side here we have volume up and down button here, and then we have a physical silent mode button, ring on or silent. You can switch it on. We've got the SIM slot here. So we've got the lightning connector here, and then we have the built-in microphones, and then we have the built-in stereo speakers here. And on the side here we've got the power button, and then we have two antenna bands on the side and another one on top here, and then two antenna bands on this side as well. So the reception should be incredible actually. And one here. The front here we have built-in stereo speakers and microphone. We have the camera here, and of course Apple's innovative dynamic island here. Once we power on, we'll be able to see that better. Overall, I'm impressed. Very pretty and feels really good and solid to hold in the hand. So this one is in deep purple, 6.1 inch screen, weighs around 206 grams, iOS 16. In terms of camera, so the main camera is 48 megapixel with an advanced quad pixel sensor. Then we have the telephoto with up to 2 times better low light photos, and the ultra wide camera has sharper, brighter macro shots. And we also have a LED flash on the side, and that looks like a microphone there, and I think that might be a sensor, autofocus sensor. just there. So let's switch the phone on now. Okay, it's powering on. So the iPhone 14 has Apple's powerful A16 Bionic chip powering the phone. Apple states that it's an all-day battery life, 23 hours to be specific for iPhone 14 Pro. It's splash, water and dust resistant, IP68, has Face ID. I must say the actual phone itself feels very, very solid. The casing, outer casing is ceramic shield front, textured matte glass back and stainless steel design. It feels very, very robust. This one is deep purple. It's also available in space black, silver, gold. The storage on this one is 128 gigabyte. Also available in 256, 512 and 1 terabyte. Okay, so let's set this up. Oh, we can see the dynamic island here. Okay, select your country or region. So I'm really interested in checking out the dynamic island of Apple, because with Samsung I'm only used to having a little camera at the front, and then the notch on the iPhone seems quite different, and it would be nice to see how it feels to use it. So I'm going to read this up, set it up and come back. So it has the Face ID while setting up, so I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to now quickly create an Apple ID. So we'll go with the create a free Apple ID and then follow the prompt on the screen. So it's just personal information. So I've set up an Apple ID and also Siri, and now I'm just going through the rest of the setup. Go for the dark mode, display standard. Okay, emergency SOS, continue. Welcome to iPhone. That is very nice. It's very much different from what I'm used to. Very nice. It actually looks really beautiful. You can see the bezel all the way. It's a very small bezel going all the way around the screen. So as it's my first time with the iPhone in a very long time, I'm going to have to play around with it a bit, and then I'll do another video shortly. So the display seems really, really clear, sharp. It's very good. So I have plenty to check out. The camera, iOS. Actually, let's quickly check the camera out. So the camera itself is very nice and robust. I mean, it feels very, very solid. The glass itself here is just really strong, and I think my only worry is it seems quite bumpy. But anyway, if we look at the camera rings, it's very nice. The lens, it all looks amazing. We've got 3 circles which are substantially higher than the camera frame itself. So I just wonder how it would feel if we put it down. It will rock more from the top because it's much higher up than the bottom. Okay, so let's take a picture of this book here. Look at the color, it looks beautiful. Okay, let's check the photos out. The color looks magnificent. The picture quality is crystal clear. Okay, I'm really looking forward to testing the camera because I have the S22 Ultra, and if you've seen some of my other videos, you'll know that I really like the S22 Ultra because of the camera. And now I can compare the camera with the iPhone 14 Pro as well. So I've got a lot to check out and come back with. So I'll do more follow-up videos on the Apple iPhone 14 Pro. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Also put your notification bell on for our upcoming videos. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.